I get it. I used to be the one living in fear of a bladder leak. I tried all the pads and pills, but they just weren't working for me. If this sounds like you, it's time to find a real solution. Axonics therapy is not another drug. It's an advanced therapy designed to give you real relief for at least 15 years. Still not sure? You can even try it first to make sure it works for you. You don't have to put up with this anymore. You just have to take the first step towards finding real relief. Go to findrealrelief.com to get started. Talk to a bladder specialist about the risks and benefits of Axonics therapy and to find out if it's right for you. Results and experiences may vary. You don't need to spend another minute wondering if life could be better. I'm living proof that it can.